All right, guys, thank you for clicking in the We'll Fix It team. This is a 2013 Nissan Rogue. That's my helper, Alex. He's a good man. Watch out, ladies. He's taken. All right, so we're going to show you what it takes to get a CV axle in this thing so you'll know. And just flip this thing around. So right here, this is some of the doings of it. But basically, you're going to want to remove your bolt that goes through the lower ball joint. And then you're going to put your little spacer Dumaflachi in there to get that thing spread out. And you're going to use a long pry bar to push down, and you're going to tap down the lower control arm to get that separated. And then you're halfway there once you take the big nut off. And then what you got to do is to get the axle out. It doesn't snap in like some axles do. It's got a little retainer bracket. There's a 12mm bolt at the top, and then there's one down at the bottom that we can't get in the camera shot just because. But you remove that retaining plate, the axle will slide out, the new one will slide back in, and then you'll call it a day. But there you go, quick videos in less than a minute on how to do something. Thank you for tuning in. Fix my hair, and we are out.